Welcome to Cloud 3D Print. In this tutorial, we will show you some miscellaneous pages within the software. If you encounter any bugs, you can report them on the Report a Bug page. Your feedback is crucial to us. We will record each bug and use it to improve our system. You can provide a subject, description, and upload any pictures. On the version page, you can view our version updates and previous versions. The About page displays the version number, terms and conditions, privacy policy, and copyright information. The Contact Us page provides our customer support phone number, email, and address. The Privacy Policy and Terms and Conditions page provide the software terms for your review. We also provide helpful information on the video tutorials, facts, and user manual pages. If you experience any issues, please do not hesitate to contact us. That's all for this tutorial. See you next time.